this side of the country. Still in Washington, but things were a little bit further down south in Longview, and I just want to show you guys the bridge that we're heading on. It looks a bit scary, you know, but my partner is hiding her face because she's scared of heights.
In 1 mile, turn right onto US 30 West toward Klatskanai.
Siri, just give me a second. I'm trying to focus on the bridge. Oh, okay. All right. Well, it's nothing fancy. It's just the bridge. You know, but it's just amazing with the engineering, all these steels. Somebody scary. See, that's this is the bridge between Beria City and Beria. We've been confirmed that there's been some funding from the Chinese embassy. So not at all. And then we're headed to Beria. Okay. For those of you out there, if you guys haven't visited Chuk and going up to Wasop, this is the new bridge. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys down for a bit. Another bridge.
Que mi se Portugal skalai. Another Epukumaya liwato riko silai.
We're on the bridge again. Beach. We're on the beach in Chuk. Look, check out the beach. See lots of people. Man, I'm sorry about the audio. It's probably going to be horrible. These guys are here to do a dog race. Hey, ato kikitir nerf komia. You put some on barbecue. But here's the ocean. Ba-da. Ta-da. Hello. Sorry, the quality of the audio may not be good, but here we are down at the beach. I'll show you guys what it looks like now. But bam, that's the whole place to ourselves. Actually, we're sharing with lots of people, and we got a special friend right here. He's here to give us company. And then, what? Bam! Can I have one? Okay, so nothing better to do but just kick back, relax, and enjoy that sun right up there. It's about to set in about maybe 2 hours left, but Kisori got Yawatori Chuk, I want of the Satawat Irar Karari. We gear Garat. This is the Yerra the Yawi. If I tell you appeal. This is appeal? Okay. Apa fukurigate what there repeats Jora appeal. Appeal. When Wasiri get Matsang no pitchay. Rara per pitchay. Migasiri Papatori. Very much TV. Mietto Shorika. Anyway, this is our spot right here. See? Not too shabby. Wait, I'm trying to enjoy my vacation. Alright. Okay, good morning, guys. We're heading back home. Thanks for riding with us. We're heading back to Seattle. Just had to get a little drone shots, and then we're heading home. Camera lady, can you try to make it so it's straight? All right, off to the next one. We'll see you guys, okay? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Another day, another place. I forgot to show you guys the view here. See? Really nice. Hold on. Let me put on my sunglasses. But hold on. Oops. See? Nice view. I'm gonna go and catch some lunch over there. I'm kidding. Anyway, good morning, guys. Welcome back. Yes, today's probably gonna be my last time to enjoy my day, because starting tomorrow, I'm just gonna stay home. But hope you guys are doing well. And I think I want to go on that boat. It's going to the other side of the island. Yeah, there's a guy fishing down there. Yeah, the place is good. See, not too bad. Bottom, see? See, this is where the view goes. And it's all the way out. All right. I'll see you guys later. Hopefully we'll see you later on. If not, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. Thank you guys. Sorry. Excuse me. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be posting a little bit of I'm going to be posting some videos later on from our the ICC anniversary. So stay tuned, and then we shall see you. Check out the merch if you want to support us, support the family. We've got some merch. You can. If you can't, you don't have to, but just to help us out, that's fine. All right, the link will be in the description. All right, peace out. Bye. Hey guys, look at this. I found the right place to get poke here in Seattle. Oh. Looks like I found the right place. Oh, look. See? I found the right place to get fish. Huh? Yeah, but it's okay because I found the sliced one. I mean the poke. Wachimaya, that's the name of this place. Wachimaya. Woo. They even have musubi. Get some? Musubi. Yeah. It's like this is a good Asian store in Seattle. Wachimaya. Ube cookies. What's that? Okay, we're gonna get us some poke. Which one do you guys think it's good? See? Shrimp sriracha barbecue. You got salmon sriracha mayo, spicy mayo tuna poke, salmon furikake, dragon fire tuna. There's tuna furikake, ginger shoyu tuna, and lots of that. Okay, go ahead, order.
Can I get this one? What size?
Half a pound. And then we'll get 1, 2, and 3. Oh my. So we'll get this one. 1, 2. You want that one too? Or okay. You want half a pound or? Huh?
Can we get the tuna for a packet?
Good news is we got poke. Bad news is for just half a pound for this taco poke, it's $7.31 for half a pound, and this poke is $9.20. That's gotta hurt the bank. All right, we got our food, we got everything, and then we're heading back. We're gonna go eat because we're very hungry. We got some sesame in the house. What? This one? Those over there? No. All right, there's more over here. And this is all the meat. Is it? I'm gonna try the. Let me see the oxtail. Ooh, $26.93 for just 3. Ridiculous.
So bad.
That's produce. Okay, produce. All right. Not bad for a produce section. All right, looks like the bananas are ripening. Oh, watermelon. All right. And then we're out. Okay, push it in, please. Woo. And then we're out. Right across the street is the stadium. I think that's where they play. Is it baseball? And Wachimaya. So over on that side is the Central Link. That's where they play. That's the stadium. That's where the Seahawks, home of the Seahawks stadium, right there. Yeah, that belongs to the Seahawks. And then Mariners over on that side. Yes. And then there's a big drone up in the sky going to perhaps maybe to Guam. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go eat and then head home. Thank you for joining us today. We shall see you guys. Peace out. Okay, full blast. That's my food. Char-siu. Wait. Right there. And then, of course, we got the poke's and the musubi. I'm gonna test it out. I already prayed. Thank you, Jesus, for everything. Wafriotic. So, just want to let you guys know, just in case if you're like, did you not pray? Mmm. Andera.
Crystal ko.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi po nari-ari minananan crystal ko. Ha? Hindi po nari-ari.
Reminds me of Hawaii.
Kasukunan ng sunan. Nagkako. Kasukwan. Nagkasuk. Ayan.
Pork.
Nipacha.
That's a good. Mo,
Karsa.
when you got him last name, you're another speechless.
Gusto ko ng mayroon sa restaurant.
It's good. Can I try the poke?
It's done. Pansit. Now ipan. Okay.
Okay, taco. It's good, but it's really spicy. Okay, pass me the other one. Oh. Next up, tuna furikage poke. Okay, let's see. I don't know why we always get stuff from Hawaii when they have this stuff over here. Really good. Tasting like the stuff from Hawaii. I like it.
Suki mo.
And then mommy has teriyaki. She got lily koi. Yeah, lily koi. Don't worry, Jenny. We're gonna share with you, okay? That's how I broke them out. Brother, it broke them out. That's really good. Let me see.
Oh my God.
Next up, tuna dragon fire poke. This one is on the spicy side. I like the taste though. Whoa. It's got a different taste. They're all good. They are all good. Anyway, folks, excuse me.
Wala na. Wala na.
Wait, I have to. We're gonna enjoy our food. Thank you guys. We appreciate you joining us. Staying tuned. look out for some videos will be going out. In the meantime, you guys have a wonderful day. Hope to see you guys on the next one. If you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. We do a lot of we make a lot of videos, just regular vlogs, weddings, church function, you know, everything about the Chuki's way. Thank you all for your support. We have plenty of videos on YouTube. At the end of the videos, there's always like links for previous videos that we've made in the past. You guys can just go ahead and click on that. On the second note, once again, the merch is always down in the description. If you feel like you want to support, go ahead and do it. And we will also appreciate that in your friends. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out. God bless you all. All right.